A frozen Freecash progress bar does not automatically mean your offer has stopped tracking, because the visual progress indicator can fail to refresh even when your activity is still being recorded. By the end, you'll know how to check whether your progress is actually stuck, refresh the offer safely, verify your activity, and collect the information Freecash support needs if the problem continues. First, open the exact Freecash offer you're working on. Check the progress bar and compare it with the requirements listed for that offer. Look for completed tasks, milestones, or other qualifying actions that you have already finished. Next, refresh the offer page. If you're using Freecash in a browser, reload the page and open the offer again. If you're using the Freecash app, completely close the app and reopen it before checking your progress. Then check your activity or reward history. This is more useful than watching the progress bar alone. If your completed activity is appearing in your account, the frozen bar may only be a display problem. Don't repeat a task just because the progress bar hasn't moved. If Freecash has already recorded the activity, doing the same action again may not fix the display. For mobile offers, keep the required application installed while troubleshooting. Avoid uninstalling the game or app connected to the Freecash offer, because changing the installation can affect tracking. Also check the original offer instructions. Make sure the action you completed actually matches the required milestone. A progress bar can remain unchanged when the completed activity doesn't satisfy the offer's specific requirement. If the bar is still frozen, take screenshots before making major changes. Capture the Freecash offer page, the frozen progress bar, the requirements, and your activity history. These screenshots provide evidence of what your account showed when the problem occurred. If you're using a browser, you can also try opening Freecash again in another supported browser while keeping the same account. If you're using the mobile app, make sure you're signed into the same Freecash account connected to the original offer. Don't create another Freecash account to restart the offer. Keep the original account and preserve the activity associated with it. If your activity isn't being recorded, and the progress bar remains frozen, contact Freecash support through the available support option. Include the offer name, the task you completed, and screenshots showing your progress and activity history. The important distinction is between a frozen display and missing tracking. Check your activity history first, because that tells you whether Freecash actually recorded the action. Your next step is to reopen the exact offer, refresh it, and compare the progress bar with your recorded activity. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash fixes, offer tracking guides, and reward troubleshooting.